I just received the CZUR Fancy S Pro, and it serves as a 4K webcam with image capture and annotation features within the software. It is a popular choice among students, educators, and professionals who need to preserve or share physical content in a digital format. The Fancy S Pro has a sleek, modern design that complements both home offices and professional workspaces. The webcam is foldable, which makes it easy to store when not in use. It comes with a stable base that minimizes wobbling during use, ensuring a consistent, good quality. And setting up the Fancy S Pro is straightforward. The package includes clear instructions. The webcam connects via USB to a computer. Fancy S Pro is packed with a wide range of features that cater to every webcam need, that cater to both Windows and Mac. The webcam is equipped with high-resolution image capture, optional character recognition, versatile image capture modes, and user-friendly software. And it's also remarkably accurate, even for smaller fonts or less than perfectly clean pages. And the LED lighting is a thoughtful addition. It provides even illumination across scanned materials, eliminating shadows and glare, common issues with traditional webcams or poorly lit environments. And the LED lights work well to eliminate shadows, even when capturing glossy images. And the software installation is super simple. Just plug it in and it'll pop up for you to download. And on the webcam, it also has many useful features like adjusting the exposure, adjusting the zoom and focusing, allowing you to flip and mirror the image, allowing you to turn off and on the LED lights. And also allowing you to rotate and turn the camera in real time. And the Fancy S Pro is equipped with freelance editing as you go to capture your image. You're able to rotate, flip, transform it, adjust the lighting, write on it, draw on it, and being able to turn it into a QR code or a barcode when you go to save. And here you are able to adjust the view and the masking of the book or image as well as you are able to do with any webcam image as well. As you can see, it also gives you the option to use your own webcam. And via the computer, you are also able to adjust the zooming in and out, the rotation of the image, and the perspective of the pages from both up and down. And it allows you to mirror the image as well, both up and down, as well as adjust the focus. And when going in to edit any image, it allows you to transform as you see fit, as well as letting you scan it as a barcode or a QR code. The whole process is super simple, and all you have to do is just download it to your computer as a quick save and you're done. It even captures fine details in photos and even scans embossed materials with surprising clarity. Overall, this 4K webcam has many useful features to choose from and is super high quality, and I would highly recommend to those seeking it out.